You are watching NetSoft IT Academy. 905-812-2923. Info at netsoftakademy.com. www.netsoftakademy.com.
So now we will be decommissioning the Exchange server that we have on record here. So first I'll navigate to my Exchange control panel. Now I already have the link and everything here, so that's why I'm not doing too much of heavy lifting here. I'll click on servers, click on databases, select my database. There's only one database here. Click on more and dismount this database. Now that that is done, I can dismount any other database that is here in case I had anything else here. Now, after this is done, I Google search for control panel. Control panel. Under this, under programs, I select uninstall a program. And under this, I select my Microsoft Exchange Server 2019 CU14, cumulative update 14, right click and uninstall. Now when I do that, the setup process similar to how the setup process would be working was here. Now it says by clicking next you will remove Exchange Server from this computer. I click on next and it will start configuring the prerequisites necessary for the uninstall. In case I'm missing something like my mailbox database isn't here. So for example, my PowerShell is open here. So I need to shut it down. Now, if I try to retry again, you can see that it still cannot continue because the mailbox database contains more than one mailbox. To get a list of all the mailboxes, do this and it will also tell you what to do next. Now, this is how you decommission it. For now, I'm not going to move ahead with the decommissioning here because quite literally there's a lot of things to get rid of. So I'll have to archive the mailbox, or I'll have to delete the mailbox, or I'll have to move the mailbox database altogether. And that is a lot of work. So for now, I'm just going to leave it at here. And this will be the end of my lab here. So thank you, and I'll see you in the next lab. Thank you.
Thank you for watching NetSoft IT Academy. 905-812-2923. Info at netsoftakademy.com. www.netsoftakademy.com.